Today we're making a super creamy, dreamy coconut ice cream. And guess what? We don't need an ice cream maker. That's right, with just a few simple ingredients and a little patience, you can enjoy homemade coconut ice cream. Let's get started with the ingredients. All you need is a can of full-fat coconut milk, some granulated sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. That's it. Simple, right? This coconut cream is going to be the base of our ice cream. In a bowl, whisk together the sugar, vanilla extract, and salt until the sugar is dissolved. Scoop out the thick coconut cream and add it to the sugar mixture. Whisk this mixture until it's light and fluffy. This is where the magic happens. The mixture starts to thicken up and become creamy. Pour this delicious mixture into a freezer-safe container and pop it in the freezer for about 2 hours or until it's firm. Okay, here's the fun part. Every 30 minutes, take the container out of the freezer and give it a good stir. This process helps to break up any ice crystals and gives our ice cream a smoother texture. Creamy, homemade coconut ice cream without an ice cream maker. You can enjoy it as is or get creative with your toppings. Some ideas include fresh fruit, chocolate chips, or even a drizzle of caramel sauce. This ice cream is seriously amazing. It's rich, creamy, and has the perfect coconut flavor. I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this.